Alright, let's look at the homework 4.9, problem number 5. Alright, so f prime of t is equal to tan cosine of t plus secant squared of t. And the t is between negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2. And f of pi over 3 is equal to 3. Right? So in order to go back to the original function f of t, we'll take the antiderivative of f prime. So antiderivative of tan cosine of t plus secant squared of t with respect to t. Right? So antiderivative, tan is just a constant multiple, so put that there. Antiderivative cosine of t is sine of t. And antiderivative secant squared of t is tangent of t. Right? Then plus some constant c, just to be as general as possible. Alright, then since we already know that the f of pi over 3 is equal to 3, so plug it in. F of pi over 3, so is equal to 10 times, alright, sine of pi over 3, so pi over 3 is 60 degrees, sine of 60 degree would be square root of 3 over 2. Alright, plus, and the tangent of pi over 3. So tangent of pi over 3 is, let's see, so it's a square root of, oh actually, sorry, I have to erase that. Alright, so it looks like this, so I have to draw a picture to figure it out. Alright, so tangent, so you have a unit circle. Alright, then here's a tangent line here. Alright, so the 60 degrees, so here's the angle. Alright, so this is pi over 3, and tangent value shows up here. Alright, so this is a 1 and 2, and this would be square root of 3. Alright, so it's a square root of 3. Plus some constant c. Alright, we can cancel 2 and 10. We're going to have 5. So we have actually 5 square root of 3 and another square root of 3. So 6 square root of 3 plus c. And this is supposed to be equal to 3. So we can find c by simply subtracting 6 square root of 3. So c is equal to 3 minus 6 square root of 3. Right, so therefore, the f of t, complete formula of f of t would be tan sine of t plus tangent of t plus, right, c just we found out to be 3 minus 6 square root of 3. Right? So let's type it in. Alright, so what we found was tan sine of t and plus tangent of t, right, plus 3 minus 6 square root of 3. Alright, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.